Hi guys, here Valerio from Maltese School. All of you know me for surfing here around the island. But I want to give you a very cool news for a new service that we do. We do wakeboarding lesson for beginner and intermediate. So, in this beautiful sunny day and flat sea condition here at the Chico Wakeboard Point, I want to show you our beautiful boat with a little walk around. So come closer and I show you. You guys, here inside my boat, we call it Squid. This is a beautiful project that I had with my wife and we renewed it all last winter. As you can see here, we have a beautiful area to relax. Under each seat we have storage area, 1, 2, over here, 3 and 4. And then if you come in to do this experience, don't worry, nothing's gonna get wet. So here you can put your phone, the water behind with the shoes. And look now what I show you. We have the BB Talking. This is a super cool device where coach and students in the water can always communicate. So we can guide you step by step in this beautiful experience. And I always give you live feedback and live tips. Such a cool stuff, eh? Beautiful. Over here is the cockpit. Here I have a beautiful stereo. We have some cool speaker on top, and soon I'm gonna upgrade it and put 2 more. And we have also 2 on the front, so the music makes such a vibes. Here, where we're going to tour you, here we have the long rope and the short rope. We start usually with beginners with the short rope, and then a little bit more intermediate and like to do jump and stuff, can use the long rope. We have a beautiful wakeboard over here. We have different size, so all of you can have fun. And look here guys, we have the next level. This is the wake surf. Basically, once you learn how to do the starting with the wakeboard, then you can use this one without bindings and you can surf the wake behind the boat, and it's super fun. We need to always keep the rope, but it's amazing experience and everybody should try it. And of course, today is beautiful and sunny, but we continue all year round. So we're gonna provide you wetsuit, beautiful life jacket, super soft, the helmet, the wakeboard, and now we're gonna go out and I'm gonna show you what it looks like with our friends Yanina and the Blondie. So guys, let's go! And here guys, the Blondie, my beautiful wife.
Good morning, welcome to our beautiful boat. I will be there with you on the boat and taking lots of pictures and videos so you have so much memories out of this experience. So let's go!
Star, come Yanni! Hello! Yeah, we have Yanina, one of our amazing students, and today we're gonna ride a lot, right?
Yes.
Let's go! Come Blondie! So guys, here we're leaving now Chico Wakeboard Point. That is our winter location for wakeboarding. Next to the Bucipa Jetty, here we start always our lesson for beginner, especially in winter. Then in summer we have another location, that is Maltese School. Don't forget, if you come into Malta, check on Google Maps because you can check both of our locations. Now let's go! Guys, we are arrived here at the beautiful location, just on front Sample Island. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go. Where are we jumping? From the front? Go, go, go. Then I pass you the board. Woo! Go, Yanni! Woo! Okay, guys, let's start the engine. 3, 2, 1. We're going. again. Woo. Yes. So good. And now it's gonna get ready the blondie. Let's go. It's time for the blondie. Let's go, blondie. Let's go, let's go. Are you ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Time Albert, bravissima Blondie. Give me a five. Come on, continue. Woo. Okay, let's go. Blondie, you are amazing!
That's amazing, guys. Dr. Joy, there's so much fun.
Come up, pass me here. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Now open. Guys, wakeboarding or wake surfing is so much fun. So, come to Maltese school and enjoy. Grazie Yani. Eccola la Blondie. Bravissima Blondie. Yeah.
Amazing.
Alright. This one was an amazing first session with the Blondie and Yanina.